Kibor penyaik ke Balawan College Sening mendakasi ke live huitrik menailar arjar fulai kelak pen kubura mi ke san fulai ngut ke samlai ke belak pas ke undergraduate examination belak penyaik ke North Eastern Hill University hak program belak tip kum ke graduation day arjar fulai. Akan ne gajinya lang per kubura melayu ruben samsurnat bat aiku senam ke samlai ke belak pas bah bat nakal yang kibor penyaik jong ke Islam ke layu ruben aiku senam kerpang ke kong lakan tius emli kabla kenjok san fulai senam kerta bat kabla pendap ke jimpule nak ke Islam ajin start watlah kacing he ke kerta. Hakan ni kasngi lawan beni don ringkat lang do ba Jason S Maulong MLA Barim ke Sening constituency ubal asyam ke benta kum kongsan hak jin don ringkat ke kong Magdalene S Maulong MDC Sening constituency kum ke sembut kongsan u principal kan ke college of Father Lawrence Karuni kinong hikai lam ke samla pule ke bala syapan ku buram. Ba Jason S Maulong haba kerana kan kasngi kum kongsan ul ai min semi ke samla beniak sykhmat bat bentur wala ki jin ki bana ka jin jongki bat ban em ke jin ke babet banlek ke bahatam saka imlang ka salang.
This is opportunity for you to reflect on your future plans and aim life. As we graduate, we enter into a new phase in life and it marks a new beginning of a new chapter of our lives. It is also a reflection of what we have gained in our family journey here in Balawan College. The biggest question to each and everybody who has graduated from now is like, what do you want to become? Kajikini, habang you graduate ng niya matalo, kaya habang itulu, kaya habang itwa, habang bali next time, itu kita graduate ng kakasni, ka-venture, ka-company, ka-mafinjam, siya ka-sinjam, siya ka-wait para step jom kajian jom ini. Ni kalau grateful, we should give time to our parents who stood by us. Kibalaya kami ni, kibalaya neshi kami. Na benda jom ini, kita kita yang nak kita ni nak sini nak set. Kuno bananya kata education, kajian medisna. Bagi nong kita keluar ni, kita keluar di passion yang menjadi nak berlalu ke joki, nak dia semua. Kalau jika nak seni, yang kaba pinbesuk ni, lagi invention to new things, more we got to find what we love or choose what we love to do. Kau create apa ini dan kemensian, bagi dia kalau akan. Yet educate, we do our love. Do things that we like and love. One thing, what is important in life, we need to focus. Habang orang kita focus ke kanan, ini dalam dan penajima. Penajima kajian dalam asli. Bahkan dalam kajian dalam alasan, kajian berpikir sekolah, hati college, hati jimat bagaimana semua kita. Ini bandang dekat Malaysia, menilai kita video, ibaratnya kejadian kita video betul. Apa ini namanya syukur? Ini scam, kita ini bukan kawan. Ini bukan kawan menilai jadi. Bahawa ini bandang mau ini morals yang value, but kenal apa? You should know what value is. Apa ini namanya syukur? Ni akan dia kalau pergi ke sini. Kumpulan kerana ni graduation dia. Nak ada job ni baik. Banjir dia kalau pergi ke lain pergi. Sementara kumpulan kerana ni bos. Ibarat tu yang ni siapa pun lakukan dia. Lakukan dia is a very good friend of mine. Pernah berniaga yang sementara. Hakkan kajian nanti kejogi. Nanti berani scam. Ina buat kejadian. Apa ni kita cakap kejadian? Kita kejadian perlu mesti. Nama kejadian perlu. Ina ada kejadian mesti. Kita ada tahap jompi ada kami. Mulai dari show kemuliaan dan nismat dari kota beliau. Nasional pun bahkan beliau dari sini kepada nak ada jompi. Kita ada usaha perkara yang bani syakman. Cleansing their mind. Kini ketika wei kita yokan yokan. Kun sama bagi hapiat kebenaran. Hari kesini kebenaran. Nilai kebenaran manusia bagi mana dikit. Bagi I manusia give courage, encouragement. Mau ini kebenaran manusia ini menyatakan bahwa ini satu syarat. Bahkan ini ketika wei di college sebelah kiri. Hanggang makan ini. Kejangan macam ni yang dapat nak kejangan adalah sapia dan lain sahaja. Kini kejangan nak kebenar di fauna, nak di Irish peace, nak di principal, nak di vice principal dan di genius nak.
The smallest of the smallest things in your life will shape up your life. The smallest of the smallest things. These are the smallest things that will teach you the most important aspect in your life. So I need you students to reflect on your journey. Now that you graduate, now you are in your own launch pad. Now you are your own master now. Now it is up to you what you aspire, what you want to become. But at the end of the day, some of you become engineers, some of you become doctors. But never forget to become a good human being. This is what the world needs right now. I'm sure so many of you would have met so many good people around you. How easy is to communicate with them? It's very convenient to be around good people. So we need good people in this world so that things become more convenient and more easy for every one of us. Why do I say that? I'm telling you. Because while majority of you, I am sure you will succeed in life. Like I said, some of you will become leaders. But never forget, if you want to become a human being, a good human being, I think we need to have that love and respect for one another. Some of you will become engineer, doctor. Some of you will become very rich. But make sure if you become rich, not at the cost of the poor. I'm telling you that. Some of you become very powerful. You can become powerful, but not at the cost of the weak. Some of you may seek fame, but do not ignore the shadow. This is what I want to put it across to all the students. The world is in your palm right now. Now it's all up to you. How do you proceed ahead in life? Don't give up on life. I'm standing here. I'm sure everyone that is here, you are putting a hard work and dedication. I'm sure that failure is just one step below to success. It's just one step below to success. So any of you that fail doesn't mean that it is the end of the world. It is not the end of the world. Work hard. I'm sure that we have one of the best examples that we got a special award. It is just a number. It is just a number. I'm telling you. The world is in your palm. And you have to make the best of it. So thank you so much for allowing me to be a part of this beautiful program. And I will be close to the college. I have tried my level best in the past to get sanction of various programs, various like a girls' hostel. But I am sure that is not the end. It's just the beginning. Because I want the youth of this college to strive ahead and be someone.